Hey guys, I got right here a whole pile of everyday carry keychain gadgets. Let's see what we can go through over here. I bought quite a lot of them. Some of them could be like a keychain gadget or like could go on a zipper, whatever. They're just really small. So this one comes in two and it's pretty unique. Let's adjust the light over here. So there's a little miniature knife that can go on a keychain or more of a zipper. Very beautiful box opening knife, liner lock, nothing special, but if it goes onto a backpack keychain, perfect. Very inexpensive. It's like for two, 10 bucks, 9 bucks. Okay, let's keep on going. Actually, look, I need a knife right here. Where's the knife? There it is. That's a little bit more comfortable knife. Let's see what we get. There's a brand for it, EDC. Got touched up a little bit. I really like that a lot. It's a little keychain. Ooh, that one's kind of new. What? So it can be a little screwdriver. Just push it this way and unscrew it. Or it is also a capsule. That is pretty interesting. So these things can go into the capsule. Or it could be like some kind of vitamin capsule as well. It is also a pry bar, sharp enough to cut through the tape on the box, and also bottle opener, scrape something off. That is so cool. I like that a lot. There's keychain rings and so on. Wow, that is very interesting. Let's see what else we got. Obviously, keychain zipper feel. I filled up feeling it and it holds so well. And I love that it has a double cover so I cannot spill it. And there is a little like air valve, air hole, so whenever I pour in the fill, it will drip smoothly. So high quality zipper. It goes onto a keychain, and like I said, this one I would more so put it instead of keychain onto a backpack zipper somewhere. It will sit so well. But yeah, there it is. So nice. Okay, what else we find? There's a bunch of interesting stuff. Okay, let's open this one up. This one kind of like a carabiner dry capsule. I figured I'll show it off because I found a bunch of interesting stuff that was suggested to me. Okay, this one is kind of interesting. I like that. I don't have patience opening these little things up. Okay, so there's a carabiner with a dry capsule. Wow, nice. And there's extender in case we need like a bigger amount of space. Maybe fire starter. Boom. Now it's extended. Very cool. Okay, let's keep on going. EDC flashlight, lumen top. There's a EDC 01. I guess that's a model number. Ooh, I like it. So there's a keychain. It comes with a little lantern attachment. Very lightweight. So it kind of goes 360 little lantern. I think we'll have to take off very lightweight. Ooh, it needs AAA batteries. I don't know if I'm ready for it. It's over here. I'm almost ready. If not, it's over here close by. So I do like the replaceable batteries instead of rechargeable. Quickly grab a new battery and plug it in and boom. Twist to turn it off and on. Wow, and the lumens will adjust different moods by twisting it. It is a really bright flashlight. Look at that. And it's very lightweight. I love it. Honestly, the battery is like half the weight of the flashlight. Very nice. Interesting. So if I need a new battery, more power, all I have to do is just replace the battery. That is actually a very good option right here. Look at that presentation too. Yeah, very good. didn't expect much about it, but yeah, I enjoyed Lumen Top. I'm going to check out more stuff from them for sure. Okay, let's see what else we have. This is little scissors, keychain scissors. But what's cool about this scissors, it's made in Japan, and they actually high quality. They cut through paracord rope so easily. There's paracord 550, and it is a high quality to where it can cut through the paracord so easily. This is a real paracord. It cuts through so good. This is high quality scissors, and the best thing is they're so small. Fits keychain or pocket. Okay, keep on going. See what we find. I just review that. Yeah. Okay, Tiki Nightcore flashlight. That one is really nice for keychain. Okay, let's open that. Oopsie, the ring came off. But you can fetch it real quick. Okay. So this one is rechargeable. Lithium batteries. Okay. Do I have to charge it? Probably unlock it. Gotta unlock it 3 times. Yeah, there it is. So there's a lantern in the back of it. There's a black light right here. And the lantern very, very bright. Wow, that is cool. Okay, there you go. Double click and then we can change the lumen right here. Very nice. And also I'm pretty sure it will glow in the dark. Triple click. Press and hold to turn it off. Triple click and then the black light. That's kind of cool. Lantern. And it should glow in the dark. Oh, it's also because. And press and hold to turn it off. No, I don't think this one glows in the dark, but still very bright. Double click. 1, 2, 3. Very, very bright little keychain flashlight. Definitely a good option right here. Okay, keep on going. I have so much stuff in here. Of course, Victorinox keychain multi-tool knife comes with the tweezers and like a little toothpick, plastic, and all the necessity. There's a little knife, like nail file, but I think what's cool is over here is scissors. Also, very nice, high quality scissors. So 3, 4, 5 tools total. Perfect for keychain. Okay, keep on going. Let's see. Oh, these things are so great. This is a quick release anodized titanium. Whoops. So it has like a slide in right here and unlock it. Swivels. Open it. Slide out. Very cool. So quick release if I want to detach flashlight. Pretty important. Okay, CVV pen right here. No, this is CVV tweezers. This is super nice. I have to include it, but this is one of the top keychain gadgets. Comes with the protector, leather protector, brown color right here. Okay, untwist it all the way, then twist it back up. Seems to be they kind of improved it. And then there's needle nose tweezers. I love it, such a high quality. This is probably the top keychain gadget. Then I can twist it, slide back out, lock it so it does not move anywhere. CVV tweezers are one of the best keychain gadgets right here. What else we have right here? Oh, pry bars. EDC pry bars for keychain. This one's a bit hefty, but it's kind of unique. Cut through boxes, like pry something open. Very interesting. Quickly, let's see what else we have. Oh, this is tweezers. I think I reviewed that before. Just wanted to throw all of my keychain gadgets. Little tweezers right here. Very nice. And folding box cutter knife. Super little blade. Okay, what's in here? This is a new one. Okay, this is also really nice titanium, very lightweight tweezers. Incredibly, like almost don't feel it. This is awesome. Little bigger ones and super small ones. That would be perfect for keychain. But this one anodized blue, super cheap, like $8, something like that for both of them. Okay. Oh, little keychain screwdriver, Allen and flat. I'm not even gonna open it. It's kind of self-explanatory. Looks like a key, but it is screwdriver. Okay, what else? Pry bars. They get really small. This is super small pry bar bottle opener for keychain, titanium, so it is incredibly lightweight. Of course, who does not need a pen? There's a little keychain, could be detached and just have a key ring. Okay, I guess that's on screws. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. Don't want to break it. So there's a little pen. Boom. If I want to have it a little thicker, can write it this way, make it more comfortable, have it full-on pen. That is cool. Then I can plug it in, and if I need pen always, that's kind of cool option. Boom, and it's closing tight. I like it. Okay, what else we can find here in the box? Ooh, I love that pen right here. Comes with the replacement. So it pushes this way and opens, and we have a really nice stick pen over here. Pineapple design over here. And to close it, all I have to do is like press it and lock it. It's not going to come out unless you press it and take it out. Super cool. Love that pen a lot. Also titanium, pretty lightweight. These little flashlights. Is it a flashlight? Let's see. No, this is a lighter. Whoops. Okay, these lighters can be so small. So there it is. A little teeny tiny lighter. Nice powerful spark. And the lighter fluid goes in here. Let's grab lighter fluid. It's going to hold the lighter fluid in there so well because it's so small. So it doesn't even need a lot of lighter fluid. Boom. Ready to go. And we have a teeny tiny little lighter. That is so cool. And the best thing is, like, once I put it out, it makes it super small. Can fit my keychain easily. Alright. And I think that's it. There's a couple other things. This is glow in the dark fob. Super nice. Gets really bright. Let me turn it off. So if I drop something into the glass, it would be easy to find. And another little what is this? Anodized titanium pry bar, but that one has a really nice sharp edges. And for example, look at that. It can open the boxes easily, not just tape. These pry bars are so nice to have. So if I need to open a box or cut through the tape, if it can cut through the box, it can cut through the tape. And of course, scrape something off, so on. Lightweight. Yeah, there you go. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Obviously this CVV, I would say Nikkor flashlight, pry bars, pens. Those are all my favorite. This is like so little. I love it. Like a miniature thing right here. So anyways, let me know which one was your favorite. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. It's gonna be my thumbnail. Super tiny, teeny things.